Welcome back. Joined by the Edmonton Oilers' Tom Gilbert. And while your team looks like to have a power play to start the next period, did you kind of feel like you had the game somewhat under control until your team ended up with back-to-back penalties?
Yeah, first period was a little bit slow for us. Passing wasn't quite as crisp as we wanted it to be, but second period was great. We were getting pucks deep. We were doing all the right things, and unfortunately, they got a good power play. We just got to stay out of the box.
It appeared on your goal that Nicholas Backstrom didn't see it at all. Were you able to see it all the way through until it went into the back of the net?
I did. I was celebrating right away. I knew it was in.
For you, after back-to-back seasons of 5 goals per season, do you kind of feel like offensively you can start to produce even more?
If the opportunity's there, it always is. It's defense first. That's where you create your offense, and as long as I'm playing well in defensive zone, things will open up, and I'm always in that offensive zone. It's
been mentioned during tonight's broadcast that you are Taylor Hall's roommate on the road. You're fairly new to the NHL, but a little bit older. What kind of wisdom do you hope to kind of pass along to the 18-year-old?
Stay clean in the room. That's about it. Yeah.
All right. Well, that's pretty good advice, but probably difficult for an 18-year-old. Tom, thank you, and good luck the rest of the way.
Yeah, thanks.
Tom Gilbert and the Edmonton Oilers hope to keep a clean sheet in the third period of play, which would give them a chance to record a win. Goal number 1 for him, but Edmonton still down.